catch me on the run, cause I'm gone, yeah. I blaze trails, set fire to what's behind me. No, I'm never looking back, I'm on the run. I could only ever be what I'm made to be. It feels good when I'm living on the edge. Watch me now, roll like thunder, gonna shake the ground. Can't stop me now, I don't give up and I won't back down. I'm a force of nature, can't be contained. I got lightning running all through my veins. Watch me now, watch me now. Come alive when I'm in the face of danger. Bring the pressure, but I'm gonna rise above, yeah. Bet the house and I'll take that wager. They say you know a legend when you see one. Watch me now.
Alrighty, here we have the behind me the Sur-Ron Ebike pre-production electric bike. Been involved with Sur-Ron for a few years now, just selling the small bikes and doing a bit of riding on them. This bike here behind me has really caught me off guard. I got it sent over a couple of weeks ago. It really impressed me. Absolute blast to ride. It's fast. It's got a load of torque in it. Extreme enduro stuff on it. I've been on motocross tracks. I've been in mud. I've been through rivers that are over the seat. And yeah, I haven't killed it, and it's running like a treat. Don't even have to clean an air filter. So. Yeah, we'll be doing more on this in the future, but for now, that's the rave review I've given it.
Watch me now.